Hey, Greg here from Rockford Factory, and today we're going to walk you through the all-new audio kits for the Can-Am X3. These are truly integrated audio systems that Rockford Factory purpose-built to create an epic off-road experience. We continue to redefine the limits with the loudest, clearest, and highest performing system in the industry. Our motorsport kits are engineered, designed, and built with the finest materials. They match the factory look of your vehicle, as well as withstand the most rugged elements and terrains. Now, before we get into the stage breakdown, let me preface that these kits are compatible with the 2- and 4-seat models. Now let's start with stage 1. This kit features our all-new M0 6.5-inch speakers. We pair those up with our PMX1 source unit, and this system gets you ready to take your music and hit the trails. Our stage 2 kit enhances your audio experience by adding the M0 6.5-inch moto cans. Our Stage 3 kit is now featuring the all-new Color Optix M1 6.5-inch speakers. The M1 10-inch downfire and subwoofer will fit under either the driver or passenger seat and will give you the bass you're looking for. All this is powered by our new M5 800X4 amplifier and controlled with our PMX2 full-color source unit. All you have to do is add the new Color Optix M1 6.5-inch lit moto cans to the Stage 3, and you have our new Stage 4 kit. This will take your audio to the next level, day and night. Welcome to Stage 5. I got 2 words for you: dual subwoofers. This means more power, more output, more bass. We power this monster sound system with an all-new M5 1500X5 amplifier. This kit also features our new Color Optix lit M2 series speakers and moto cans. The PMX3 source unit gives you the ability to add a camera as well. What if I told you could still be louder? That's right, Rockford Factory is now offering a Stage 6 kit. This off-road audio beast replaces your 6.5-inch moto cans from the Stage 5 to the full-size Color Optix M2 8-inch horn cans. These speakers are a game changer and provide crazy performance. Now let's talk about what makes our audio kits class leading. All our kits are plug and play, so no drilling and no cutting. It's all designed to work right out of the box. To make it even easier, our new kits come with amplifiers featuring our preset technology, which means they're already set up and optimized for your kit. Lastly, everything is element ready, which means every component was purpose-built for the off-road environment and designed to stand up to water, dirt, mud, dust, and UV. Your audio will always perform regardless of the conditions. So in this video, we've highlighted some of the features and benefits of our all-new Can-Am X3 stage kits. For more information, please check out our website at rockfordfosgate.com or give us a call at 1-800-669-9899 and we'll be happy to answer any questions.